All right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this 360-degree rotation cosmetic organizer. High capacity, adjustable height, multi-dimensional storage, saves counter space, easy access and organization, washable, wear resistant, environmentally friendly, and safe. Not really anything on the sides or the top or bottom. The back gives you a quick installation guide showing you all of the items that come in here and how it goes together. So let's open it up. Thanks again to the company for sending this to me. Let's see what we have. This one is clear, so that's wow. All right, well that's it for the box. So little installation guide telling you how to do everything. Looks like it just easily pops it together. And then let's take a look at everything in here. So one of these is the top and the bottom. This looks like the top. As yeah, this part's definitely the spinning bottom. It's like a DJ. So we're gonna put this together real quick. Doesn't look too hard. Looks like open this on up. So there's our pieces. As you can see, these kind of just cross over one another like so, and then these bottom little feet clip right down into the bottom here. Very nice and easy. Then kind of the same for the top. You've got the holes here and here and here, and they just kind of slide into place. There we go. Basically, these little rubber bands are made to go around these once they're put in. That way it won't just come off the top. And then you do have all of these little shelves. You get 4 of these. So, you know, you can kind of put these about wherever you want in here. I'm actually going to let my wife put the rest of this together, and we'll see what it looks like on our counter, this 360 rotation cosmetic organizer. So here it is all together. My wife has put all of her nice stuff on it, and basically you can just spin it around, grab what you need, adjust the shelves as you need, etc. Actually a really nice way to compact all this stuff that used to be laid out across this whole cabinet here, and now it's neatly in this. So thanks again to this company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.